Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to remove ads on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on Google. From here, just tap on all services. Now just scroll down and tap on ads. And from here, just scroll down and tap on reset advertising ID. And from here, tap on confirm. And once you have done that, just tap on delete advertising ID and tap on delete advertising ID. And once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the Chrome web browser app. From here, just tap on the profile icon at the top of your smartphone. Now just scroll down and tap on site settings. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on pop-ups and redirects. Now just disable this option on your smartphone. And this is how you can remove ads on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.